Hey everybody, welcome back to Online PE. I hope your first 3 weeks have gone well and you've enjoyed some of the things you've learned about fitness in your body. So we're going to continue that trend, and I hope you're getting a lot of exercise. Sorry about that. And we're going to talk about why do you need sleep in lesson 4. What is the reason you need sleep? Okay, so as we get going through this, we're going to go, what are we going to learn? Well, the importance of getting sleep. Why are we learning it? To help us understand why sleep is important. Kind of redundant, I know, but hey, we'll just go with it. And then how are you going to know if you learned it? 1, you know how much sleep you need every night. Number 2, you can explain your sleep routine to your parents and teacher. And 3, you can name the part of the body that needs sleep the most. And you can probably figure that out because you know what happens when you're tired. So these are the 3 things we want you to learn in this lesson. So this video, why do I need sleep? And then after you get done with the video, you're going to have some exercise. This is a fun one. You'll click on this link. It's got 3 different things. You pick which one you like the best, and you do that exercise. So you need a little space, need maybe a mat, you need your video. Okay. Remember these 4 things we talked about a lot. When you get done with your exercise, ask yourself, do you breathe heavier? Is your heart beat faster? Are you hot and sweaty, or does it make your muscles tired? Again, let's go back to these. After you watch those videos, think of these questions. Can you do this? How much sleep do you need every night? Can I explain my sleep routine to my parents and teachers? And can I name the part of the body that needs the sleep the most? So you should be able to name these if you watched that video, which I hope you did. So awesome job. Hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, again, email your online teacher or me if you need me. But good luck, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.